Hello, I'm Shinmai. How are you today? Today, I'd like to show you how to greet people in Japanese. First, in the morning. Good morning. How does it say good morning in Japanese? Let's watch this scene.
おはよ
Good morning in Japanese is ohayo. Ohayo. You can use ohayo to your family, your friends. This is a casual expression. When you talk to older people, then you need to say ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu. So, how about hello? Let's watch this scene.
う。こんにちは。
Hello in Japanese is こんにちは。こんにちは。Next, good evening.
こんばんは。
Good evening in Japanese is こんばんは。こんばんは。In English, you don't use hello or good evening to your family. こんにちは。こんばんは also doesn't use to your family. Origin of the word こんにちは comes from a sentence such as こんにちは良いお日柄で which means today is good weather or こんにちはご機嫌いかがですか How are you today? Then these sentences was omitted and it became a greeting. Also, こんばんは comes from a sentence such as Tonight is the good night. So when you write down こんにちは or こんばんは actually last は sound is は but not は This は is the part of the particle, so please don't forget to write は Let's review. How do you say good morning in Japanese? おはよう、おはよう to your family, friends, or younger person from your age. To older person, おはようございます。おはようございます。How about hello? こんにちは。こんにちは。Last, good evening. こんばんは。こんばんは。Thank you for watching my YouTube channel.